Hello, my name is Amy Sturkey. I'm a pediatric physical therapist. I'm here with my co-instructor, and this is Ariel. And we're going to teach games on a tabletop to work on eye-hand coordination skills. So let me get me a cup. Our first game is we're going to roll a ball back and forth. We have to catch it with the cup. You ready, Ariel? Uh-huh. Oh, okay. She ain't playing. Oh, so that's pretty easy. Oh, gotcha. Go grab it, girl. Come on, I'm ready. Uh-huh. Ready. Uh-huh. There you go. Now we're gonna try a smaller ball. A marble. You ready? It's tricky. Whoop! Okay. Ooh. Excellent. Whoop! You got me! Wait, okay. Now we're gonna try the smaller cups. You want the big ball or the little ball with the smaller cups?
Small.
Small. All right. Good luck to us. Ready? Ho! Now sometimes I play this across the room from each other, and sometimes on the tabletop too. Very nice. Another way to do it, here, let me take that, is simply with a matchbox kind of car. Ready? Send it back to me. Perfect. Whoop! Whoop! Ready? Excellent. Simple as that. Another way to do it is with a coin. I got a quarter. Try to catch it with just your finger, okay? Uh-oh. Can I try again? Oh, I didn't do so good. Ha! You did good. Very good. Whoop! You're fast. Let me try and get that. You ready? Oh, can I try that again? So, all easy ways, even if you're stuck indoors, to work on eye-hand coordination for catching. I clearly need to work a little harder myself. I hope these are good ideas for you to do at home, and we'll look forward to seeing you next time. Thanks. Bye-bye.